Hi guys, ever wondered what a corporate mom does before 9 a.m.? Let's get into it. Come on.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really to throw you out.
Morning guys. Okay, time for a shower.
Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on.
Now let's make this pack lunch.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
For his pack lunch today, I'll be making some fried eggs, putting in a burger bun and some cheese. Then for fruit, he's having tangerine, and for snacks, he's having some crackers. So
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
that's it for his pack lunch.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
All done and sorted with his pack lunch. Now let's wake him up.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic light. And I really wanna know.
Ryan, wake up. Ryan, it's morning. Ọtụtụ ọma. Let's go there. Should I turn on the lights?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, morning.
Good morning. I don't see that well.
What?
I don't see that well. But I just go out of bed.
You just got out of bed and you don't see.
What are you doing right now to me?
I'm making a video. A YouTube video. Yeah. Right, come on, let's crush. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. Hey, hey, hey.
See how I look?
Yeah, well, your hair's not done. Go on.
1, 2.
What happened? Come on, there's no back your hair, Ryan. Come on, fix your bed, quick, quick, quick.
Okay. I don't really.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down.
Well done. Let's go. Breakfast time.
Alright. Seriously.
What?
This.
No. Put it back, close it. Don't be cheeky.
Job. I need the whole milk. I like
Come on. What did you say?
Thank you.
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Yeah.
Jumping from cliffs so high. Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Hi guys, so yeah, I'm done getting Ryan ready for school and I'm about to take him. This is 7:30 a.m. here, so I usually take him out at 7:45. Yeah, so this is me saying a very big thank you to everyone who has liked, commented, subscribed, and shared my video, my first video. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for sticking with me and believing in me. So yeah, keep doing the good work, keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing. See you in my next video. Bye.
Even if the sky is falling down.